GoHighLevel is not just about automating emails, messages, and funnels. It's also packed with reporting and analytics feature that makes running your business so much easier. If you have ever struggled to understand which campaign are working, where your leads are coming from, and how your sales are performing, this video will break it down in the simplest way so you can make a smarter decision without feeling overwhelmed. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description. If you use our link, you can get the 30 days free trial. You can access the live bootcamps and exclusive bonuses to help you start using GoHighLevel the right way. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing you will notice on GoHighLevel is the dashboard. This is where all of your numbers come to life. You can see total lead, booked, appointments, completed deals, and revenue in one single place. It's like a control center for your business. You don't need to check multiple apps or manual tracking your numbers. GoHighLevel pulls everything together automatically. This makes it super easy to see how your business is doing at a glance. Now, next thing is the campaign reporting. Every email, SMS, or workflow you run can be tracked individually. You can see the open rates, click-through rate, and reply rates, and many more. For example, if you send a follow-up or email to a new lead, you can instantly see how many people opened it, click the link, and respond. This helps you to understand that's working and what needs to improvement without guessing. So GoHighLevel lets you track your leads through each stage of your sales process. You can see how many leads are new, how many have booked call, and how many converted into a paying client. It also shows where leads might be dropped off, so you can adjust your approach and improve the conversions. It's like having the X-ray vision for your sales process. GoHighLevel also provides the sub account and the call reports. So this is perfect if you manage multiple clients. You can quickly generate report for each client. So showing the result of campaign, funnel, and the automations, this not only helps you to stay organized but also makes client meeting much smoother because you can show the real results. Finally, GoHighLevel allow you the customized report or custom dashboard. So you can create the chart, graph, and table that highlight the metrics that matter most to you. Whether it's revenue, the lead source, or campaign performance, you can design report that give a clear picture in seconds. So just sum it up, the GoHighLevel reports and analytics tool let you track campaign, monitor the pipeline, see the client result, and customize the dashboard all from the one place. It makes your business data easy to understand, actionable, and ready to improve growth. So if you are ready to explore GoHighLevel, then use the link in the description for 30 days free trial and get the access for the live bootcamp and exclusive bonuses to get started like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.